Hello everyone, and welcome to this quick tutorial on the categories on the CMS Web Store. There are categories on the home page on the CMS Web Store. You can hover over these categories and you can see subcategories underneath. For this tutorial, I am going to click on the networking category. When I hover the category and do not move the mouse, it will stay static for the subcategories. Another option is to click on the main category which you are interested in. I will be clicking on networking. This is the networking page. There are more subcategories options for the products and more subcategories on the left-hand side of the screen. For example, I am going to look at access points, so this will narrow down and filter to what products you are interested in viewing or browsing. I would be interested in TP-Link. I will click on the TP-Link subcategory. This demonstrates how to navigate and filter products effectively using categories. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to use the categories on the web store.